Welcome to MS Craftshop. Today's video will be a bit different and more technical. Several of you have requested me to change the language of my videos. Well, it would be fantastic to speak every language available in the world. However, I speak only two languages, Polish, which is my native language, and English. I'm still learning English, so you may notice some mistakes in my pronunciation or accent. These are expected since it's my second language. However, I chose English as the narration language for my videos because it's more universal and accessible, allowing me to reach a larger audience. Fortunately, YouTube offers a special tool for setting subtitles in various languages. In this video, I will show you how to customize them to suit your preferences. So, let's move to one of my last videos. I upload English subtitles with each video. The icon for managing subtitles is in the bottom right corner of the screen. When subtitles are on, a red line appears under the icon. You can turn subtitles on or off at any time. Make sure they are turned on and move to the gear-shaped icon next to the subtitles icon. This icon is for settings. Click on it to open a menu. From the menu, select Subtitles and click on it. Next, choose Auto Translate and click again. A window will appear displaying a long list of different languages. Let's select French. Now you'll see that the English subtitles have changed to French. We can do this again. Go back to Settings, select Subtitles, then Auto Translate, and this time let's choose Spanish. The English subtitles will be changed to Spanish. As you can see, it's pretty easy. While I cannot guarantee that the translation from English to another language is perfect, the tool provided by YouTube is effective enough to solve language barriers to some extent. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you soon!